This is going to be a quick video on the Gixxer 1000. This is going to apply to 600, 750s, years 2001, all the way to like 10 or 12. Not really sure, but a lot of the system is the same. So if you have that problem where you accelerate, so you start riding out, right? You see your RPMs go, what? But about right here somewhere, it just goes, it doesn't build any more speed, and the engine seems like it's bogging out. You might think it's your fuel injectors, or that you have a low PSI on the fuel pump, or it's worn out and it's just not putting out any pressure. Before replacing anything, you want to check your throttle position sensor. Now, don't make the mistake of having this on with the key on, engine off. You might test the wrong port, because all three of these kind of look alike, or even, look at those, not the square one, but the triangularized ones. So what you need to do is, it needs to be on key off, engine off. Okay, you're gonna need your multimeter and set it on 2000 ohms, or you could even do it on the 20k ohm setting. It's just your numbers are going to be smaller. What you want to do is locate the throttle position sensor, and if you come and look at the throttle, you know that this shaft right here it's going to be on the opposite end of this shaft, because when you twist the throttle, it has a bar linkage that goes straight across into this lower one. So you can tell from the position of the throttle, the throat, you can see compared on that side and the same level coming across the bar, it's going to connect down here to this one down here. If you you can make the mistake of having the key on, twisting the throttle, and then reading the wrong input out of here. It'll actually give you a sweep because of this. I'm not really sure on that, but just do it. Damn it. So it's going to be the bottom one down here, and with key on, engine off, you're going to have a value here. And this is really hard to film. I'm going to need 3 hands. There's no way to film this. When you go over to your sensor, I already know it's the black one because I've already been messing with it. You're going to put it on this pin down here and that pin up there. Okay, so that's negative to positive, negative to positive. I mean, it's going to be one lead and the other lead down there. It doesn't matter which way you have them, since you're measuring resistance. You're going to turn the throttle. You're going to see the numbers climb. If you're on 2000, you're going to see it start at 1000.059, and then it's going to climb. As you twist the throttle, it's going to say 10, it's going to go 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 2, and mine, when it got up to 2.5 something, just after that, climbing on to 6, 2.6, it just says OL, just like that. So there's a dead spot in the sweep of the throttle position sensor, and that is the fix on this bike.